Hello my friends, today I'm more than happy to share with you my new pattern, a pattern that explains how to make this robe bag. It's a trendy tote that will serve you well as an everyday carry-all bag. It is big enough to hold all the necessities you need during the day, and because it holds shape so well, it will look great regardless of the number of knitting projects and chocolate bars you stuff in it. You can make this bag with any cord or rope that is about 5 millimeters in diameter. This particular bag is made with the rope that I've got from a dollar store, and it takes about 90 meters, 99 yards of rope to make the bag in this size. The pattern explains in great detail how to knit this bag, how to line it, and how to make 3 different types of handles. Every step is supported by clear close-up photos, and there are links to the video tutorials that show the techniques used in this project. The size of the bag is 33 by 39 centimeters. That's 13 by 15 inches, but the pattern also tells you how to make this bag in any size you like. So follow the link in the description or the one up there, get the pattern and make yourself your very own robe bag.